Let's go, my friends. Beginning in child's pose, constantly moving, modify as needed. Let's start the day right. Pressing back, child's pose. Inhale forward to modified plank. Elbows in, knees behind the hips. We're going to take it back and forth, electrifying the shoulders and the back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Stretch it. The bugs are really talking today, aren't they? I must be back in Florida. Good. Get the blood flowing, get the mind sharpening, the body where it needs to be for the best day ever. 2 more times each one. Tuck the toes if you like, long stretch. And once again. And take it back. Let's walk the hands over to the right. Cross the left hand over the right. Stretch it out. You're going to want that stretch throughout the day. Oh, it's going to help you out so much. Decompress the spine. And walk to the other side. Pull it back. And back to the center. Stretch, 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 stretch. Swaying back and forth. Fingers are loose, toes are loose. And come to hands and knees position for the bird dog. Inhale, right leg, left arm. And alternating arm and leg, back and forth. Inhale, extend. Exhale, down. Building some great focus and balance, core balance, getting the core ignited, the abdominals, lower back, hips and glutes. Stretch it out. Good. Force your body to adapt in real time. That's what we do. Morning yoga with ab work, with core work. Basically taking everything you have and giving it a big tune-up. And down. Let's do it one more time, each side. And a little add-on to this, the awkward airplane. Right leg goes out on a diagonal, left arm on the diagonal. Hold it for a breath. Tugging at the core, tugging at the balance. Very good. Let's bring it down. Left leg, right arm. Okay, I think we're all alone here. Back and forth. Awkward airplane, diagonal. Can you feel the humidity, my friends? Can you feel it? I can. Instant sweat, muscles are firing, my ear itches. One more time each side. Awkward airplane. Most excellent. Downward facing dog. Tuck the toes, press it back. Now I hear long carrot. Must be Florida. Walk the legs. Paddle them out. Wake up the calves and the hamstrings. One more time each side. Then we're going to lunge position with your right leg. Right leg comes up. Right foot forward. Drop the back knee or stretch out the back leg. We come all the way up into lunge. Now lunge with touchdowns. We bring the arms up. We're going to do 5. Exhale down. Use that core. Fingers come together. Inhale, lift. Balance. 4 more. The whole body moving, the whole body getting involved. Oh man, just leaf blowers everywhere. I'm rather excited to get out of Florida. One more time. Reach up, stretch, 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 cactus arms. Open the chest. Did a chest workout yesterday. This feels amazing. Stretch out those Dom muscles. All right, hands down. Step back to down dog. Walk out the legs. And let's do that on the other side. Left leg comes up. Left foot forward. Lunge. Stagger the feet. Tuck in the blouse. Yeah, that's the blouse. And here's what I'm going to switch my cap, actually. I'm in the shade, so that's nice. 5 touchdowns. Arms up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. 2. Oh, good balance. 3. 4. Very nice. One more time. Now's your chance to open up the front, open up the abdominals, drop the shoulders down, stretch the back leg, then cactus arms. Holy cow, is that good? Pull the arms back, relax the jaw, and set the hands down. Step back to plank. Plank position, hands are on the shoulders. Option alternating leg lifts 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Wake it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press forward, lower down, hover. Hands are on the shoulders. Lift up cobra or upward facing dog. Pressing all the way up. Oh, tuck in that shirt. What am I doing? It's a Coach Vigue original. Gotta keep that shirt tucked in. Part of my contract. Lift, lift, lift. Drop the shoulders. Squeeze the glutes. Okay, lower down. Now take it back to down dog. Stretch it out. Pulsing forward and back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Oh, my friends, gentlemen, you are getting all this great work on your back, on your spine, especially your lower back. Feel it opening up. If you have a lot of tightness back there, you're uncomfortable, have issues, this may really help. Get blood flow going. Get the muscle tissues full of oxygen. One more time. All right, knees down. Bring the legs around. Doing all right? Good, we're almost there. These go by really fast. We pack so much in a short amount of time, right? All right, shake it out. We have bolt into saw. Now don't tell anybody, but I'm slipping in a Pilates exercise here because we must. Shoulders back and down, half boat, arms out, 5 breaths. Put the emphasis in the abs. If you want a little bit more, you can bicycle the legs forward. Always adding some movement to challenge the body, especially challenge the core, make the body adapt in real time workouts. That's what Coach Vigue does. All right, now the saw, heels to the edges of the mat, arms out, twist to the right, reach up and over that right foot, exhale. Inhale back to center, twist and other side. Look to your back arm as you extend. There we are, nice long lines. Feel the whole body starting to move together. One more time each side. And up and twist. Oh, that does feel nice. I just did a 25-hour car ride, Wisconsin to Florida. So these videos are just as much for me as they are for you and everybody. All right, half boat. 5 breaths. Oh no. It's like this wave of lawn care. It kind of gets really loud, then it recedes, then it gets really loud again. You never know where it's coming from. Could come from up there. All right, one more breath. Bicycle if you like. Now the saw, once again, take the legs wider, and let's do it 5 times each side. 1, 2. Oh man, and 3. Anywhere, anytime, right? And 4. One more time each side. All right, reach forward, hinge, stretch it out. Press the backs of the knees down. I gotta get out of here. All right, come on up, down dog. Stretch it back. Now, right leg up, right foot forward. Lunge position. Arms up. Cactus arms, open, open. How's the posture? Bring it down, step back, down dog. Take the left leg up, lunge, and cactus. All right, now, step it back to down dog. Bring your left leg up. Left foot forward, tall warrior. There we are. Pivot that back foot in, bend that front leg, take the arms up. If you like, lace the fingers, press the palms up, tall. So sink down in the legs, get that stability and foundation as we stretch the upper body. And you know what's coming next? Did you guess it? No, it's not itch your nose with your arm. It's cactus arms, my friend. Oh, open as you sink down. We're gonna melt all the way down to the mat. So we're pulling back, we're gonna keep going down. No, melting, 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 boom. Step back down dog, right leg up. And warrior position. Arms up. Tall warrior. Gotta say it like that. Breathe. All right, cactus arms, and let's melt. I'll melt with you. Oh, what a world, what a world. Melting, melting. Hands down to the mat, step back to plank. What'd you think of that? Press forward, lower down. Hover, chaturanga. Every muscle working, every muscle firing, up dog or cobra. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh man, you just keep stretching. And then downward facing dog. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Tell you what, let's take the feet wide. I'll give you a front view here. One of my favorite moves. We have a wide-legged down dog. If you like, add the twist back and forth. Oh, it does wonders for your core, for your ability to move throughout the day. One more time each side. Okay, now walk the hands back, right hand down or left hand, either one, reach up, twist. Did you get off my leg? Thank you. Back and forth. Oh, and one more time. And now dive down. Wide-legged forward fold with the option to reach the arms back, lace the fingers. Mudra. And the arms come down. Bring it back to down dog. Oh, walk or jump the feet forward. Let's rise up. We'll finish with, oh, there we are, an active tree. Open up either hip. Hands together. Bring the heel below or above the knee. Add the active part. As you focus, inhale, reach the arms up. Cactus arms. 4 more times. Inhale, exhale, getting taller with every breath. Lengthening that standing leg while still keeping a little softness in the knee. Oh, the sweat. I don't have sweat in Wisconsin. I have it here. Up and open. Cactus arms, slow it down. I want that posture to be as tall as you will ever be throughout the day. You walk out of your house, feel like, oh, did you grow an inch overnight? You look amazing. Let's go to the other side. Tree pose, my friend. Okay. Add the arms if you like, 5 times. There's 2. Pull those abs in with the exhales. 3. 4. All right, my friends, you can finish here. I have a quick extra credit for you. You probably don't want to miss this one. It's going to flatten and tone those abs for the rest of the day. Now bring it down onto your back into the crisscross. Here we go, 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now reverse crisscross. Bring the elbow to leg. 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Finish off with double leg stretch. Take the arms to the sides. Inhale, arms and legs out. Circle around. Let's do 10. There's 1. Bring your head down if you need to. 3, 4. Best day ever. 5, 6, 7. How you feeling? Stay with it. Slow and steady wins the race. One more time. Bring it out. Pull it in. Extend out. Hollow back. 5 breaths. I swear this is the last one. I swear. On the moon and the stars above. Oh, yes. Oh, feel it penetrating. One more breath. Oh, beautiful, my friends. Take those legs side to side. You feel good, you feel good. Don't forget to click that like button. That helps get this video out to so many more people. I appreciate that. Subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. Oh, it's going to be the best day ever, my friends. Thanks for joining me, Coach Vigue. Anywhere, anytime. And as always, Coach Vigue will see ya around. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.